Hey all, hope you're doing well. Today's going to be a really quick video just showing you a free Chrome extension that's really useful for any Amazon sellers out there. It's called International Keepa Charts, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. But in short, what it does is it'll show you the Keepa chart for the main Amazon marketplaces all in one place. So it's a massive time saver, and it can allow you to assess opportunities to increase your sales. For those of you like me who are selling in the UK, selling in Europe as well will really increase the amount of said sales that you can make, and so more profit. So I'm going to show you here what it does. Obviously you can't see my extension at the top here, but if you click on once you've installed it, if you click on the icon where the extensions are, and as you can see here, the extension will show you the different marketplaces, and you can actually change the options here. So I've got it configured so it doesn't show the US marketplace, for example, because I don't sell there. But straight away here, I can see the Keepa charts for these different marketplaces, and I might look and go, okay, this French marketplace looks interesting to me. The others are maybe selling too slowly for my liking, and then I can just click on this, which will take me to the French marketplace listing for this item. For those who don't really know what I'm on about, Keepa is this here, and obviously this here. And I've done a video on how to analyze a Keepa graph and a bit more, so I'll link that in the description. But this Chrome extension is super useful because you might just be selling on the UK marketplace, check an item, and maybe it's good for the UK, maybe it's not. But regardless, if that item is profitable in Europe, I recommend that you buy it. Obviously, you're going to have more fees, and you've got to factor in the exchange rates. But if the item is profitable there, why not sell it? It's not really more work for you with the European Fulfillment Network. And so this is a great Chrome extension. It's actually created by a guy called Al Carton, who's a really nice guy, and he has a Facebook group as well, which I'll link below in the description. And yeah, it's a free tool that I think it's kind of a no-brainer, really. You should get it. But that's all for this video. I'm not going to drag it on because there's no need. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please check out the Facebook group below. Best place for asking questions. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.